We are smart and handy.
Terima kasih, cikgu.
Oh, hi! In our school, a lot of teachers have made complaints about the classroom light not being turned off. They often mention it during assemblies, but students doesn't seem to care.
Oh, so as you can see, our problem statement is how can we ensure electrical appliances are turned off to reduce energy waste?
So this is our product. It is called SMK. We did a research and find out that CDs can be a replacement for starter pack. We use 80 CDs that is equal to 120 volt, which can light up a bulb.
So, these are the things needed to make C panels. The first one is cardboard, hot glue gun, epoxy resin, copper wire, bulb, and last one is CD